right now I'm headed to the doctor's because it's my daughter's two-year checkup, and I'm taking the whole Brady Bunch because I'm just doing it. I'm doing it. I'm taking the whole squad to one appointment. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully it's well. Hopefully everybody behaves. And then after, we might get some food so that we can do that little mukbang, because I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me some questions for a mukbang or mukbang or whatever it's called, huh?
I could just watch a video about that and see what you say quietly.
Okay, so let's head over there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little mukbang with you guys. I asked you on Instagram to ask me some questions so I can answer them here while I do the mukbang. And I got some Burger King. I got the spicy chicken sandwich, a little bit of fries, some barbecue ranch, and a little Powerade. Adrian, here's your fries. Adrian, here's your fries. So, yeah. And I'm gonna be answering some questions while we eat all this food. Okay. Well, it's not even a lot of food, but, you know. It's something. So, I have my phone here while I'll be checking the questions and stuff. So to answer. So let's get started. So this is a sandwich. I don't think here's a sandwich. She's okay. And I just got some ranch. Some ranch and a barbecue with it for the fries. Also, I got a chile because you can't. Yeah, I have to have chile with my meals because I just have to. So let's take our first bite. I mean, it's good. It's just, it's good. It's good, yes. So, I'm gonna head over to the questions. Okay. So one of the first questions was, how do you feel having your son in school? I don't know. It feels like he's growing up super fast, and it freaks me out a little bit because I know, like, once they start going to school, like, everything just changes, you know, like they get exposed to the real world, they get exposed to, you know, life, and that freaks me out. But I try not to think about it too much because then I'll just give myself anxiety, and it's just, yeah. But yeah, I'm happy that he gets, you know, to learn a bunch of new things and stuff, but it also freaks me out that he's now exposed to the world, and exposed to all these dangers, and you know, it's just it's too much. So another question was, how old are you? I'm 24. I'm 24, but I will be 25 this month, June 16th to be specific. I'll be 25. Sorry if you hear Kokomo in the background. Then another question is, how does it feel to be a mom of 3 now? It feels, I want to say it feels normal for me, but at the same time, it doesn't feel normal. Like, it just feels like, I don't know. I love it though. I wouldn't want to have it any other way. Like, I love my babies. They're amazing creatures. They're amazing little human beings, and I love being a mom. I love being their mom. You know, I love to watch them grow and experience all of these things with them, and just, you know, living life with them. Like, my little family is literally everything to me. They keep me sane. They're my everything, really. I love them so much, like so much. My son is my firstborn, obviously. I feel like he came into my life and he just changed everything, you know. What in the cheeseburger nation was that? I literally just saw something fall from the ceiling. I don't know if the camera caught it or not, but I swear I saw something fall. Or am I tripping? I don't know. That was weird. Or maybe it fell from my hands. I don't know. But I don't see anything suspicious on here. But yeah, he came into my life, and I was a child, having a child. You know, I was 18 already. When he was born, I was gonna be 19. But you know, I was 18. I was still a baby. I was still a child. And we just kind of grew together. And he helped me grow. You know, we grew together, but he watched me grow, and, you know, I've watched him grow as well. But, like, we've just been, like, he was a life changer. Yeah, he definitely was a life changer for me, for us, I want to say. And he was just what we needed in life, I feel like, to mold everybody, to, you know, he was just, I don't know, he was just a great blessing. And I loved that for a while. It was just me and him and my husband, you know, but it was just like he was our only kid. And then when I got pregnant with my daughter, I feel like with my first daughter, I feel like she as corny as this sounds, I want to say that she saved me. Like she came into my life when I needed her the most, I feel like. She brought this happiness, she brought just this heart-filling blessing with her, and I feel like I needed her. I definitely feel like I needed her in my life, and she came at the perfect time. She came at a perfect time, and it wasn't a perfect time, but it was just the perfect time, if that makes any sense. She was everything I needed in that moment. Like, she saved me. Like, I feel like I know it sounds super corny because everybody's always saying like, oh, my kid saved me, or, you know, my whatever, you know. But if you don't know, you just don't know, you know. And if you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. And it's really hard to explain, but she just came into my life, and she saved me. Like, literally, like, she kept me sane from everything that I was going through, and she was just like everything that I needed and more. You know, I had my son, yes, and you know, he's my everything as well, but I feel like her coming into our lives just kind of completed us, and it was just something that we needed. She was something that we needed to. She was, I can't even put it into words to explain it, honestly, but she came at the perfect time. And yeah, she's an amazing child. She is so funny. She's a blessing. She's a blessing, a very big blessing. Perfect God, and I thank God for my kids every day. Literally, I do. Because without them, I don't know. I just don't know, sis. But then I got pregnant with my second daughter, and she was just a complete surprise, like, sis. But yeah, she just completed our family. Yeah, she just completed her little family. Gotta share. Yeah, but she just completed our family, and she got her little sister, and he has his 2 little sisters. What, baby? So yeah, I feel like we're just all complete now. So that was a very long answer, but yeah. Okay, so another question is, when are you going to do more makeup tutorials? Well, I'll get into it. What, baby? Hold on, sit down. I'll definitely get into it. I'll probably film one. I want to say maybe tomorrow. And if not tomorrow, then probably Friday, possibly. I don't know. I'm not sure yet, though. But if I film it, I don't know. But I'll upload one soon or something. I'm not sure. Another question is, do you plan on having more kids? So I would want probably one more, but I don't think I can have any more. I've had 3 C-sections with all 3 of my kids. I've had C-sections. So my doctor told me that, no baby, my doctor told me that my incision, when they opened me up with my last one, he told me that I have a lot of scar tissue around my incision, so that they couldn't make the incision big enough to take her out. So they had to use like a vacuum to suction her out of my stomach. So he said that if she would have been any bigger, you know, things would have gone south. But I probably can't have any more kids. I don't think I can, or I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, because he didn't tell me, hey, you can't have no more kids, but he told me, like, you know, it's very risky. I'm thinking, I'm just gonna say no. I probably won't have any more kids, and if I do, it'll probably be in like a long time from now. So not anytime soon. But for now, I'm just gonna say no. I do not plan on having any more kids, simply for the fact that it's very, 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 very dangerous for me to have kids now. And 3, I think, is good enough for me right now. And I have a 2-year-old and a 7-month-old, an 8-month-old actually today. Oh my goodness. So I'm good. And then I have a 6-year-old, so I'm good for now. I think my answer is no, not anytime soon. No, like, no. Another question is, when are you gonna do my makeup again? Girl, whatever you want. Just, you know, come over, let me know, and I'll do your makeup. I'm gonna answer I have one more question that I want to put out there. It says, hold on, I need to clear my mouth. It says, who is your favorite sister-in-law on your husband's side? I would have to say my favorite sister-in-law is